What's the meaning of bomber? Bomber. Bomber.
Bomber. Bomber. The term bomber typically refers to a military aircraft designed to drop bombs on ground targets. These aircraft can vary in size and capabilities, from large strategic bombers capable of carrying nuclear weapons to smaller tactical bombers used for close air support missions. The use of bombers has been a key component of aerial warfare since World War I, and they have been used in numerous conflicts around the world. Depending on their payload, bombers can cause extensive damage to enemy targets and infrastructure, making them a powerful tool in modern warfare.